Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Let's Make a Mill, as well as my own personal blog, letsmakeamill.com. In today's video, I'm kind of doing something a little different. I'm going to be doing what's called a buy update series. So bi-weekly, I'm going to be showing you exactly what I'm purchasing as I get paid. I'm going to be showing you real numbers, real data, and real decision making. And all this is to be fully transparent with all of you guys, so you guys know exactly what I'm doing. For those of you who don't know who I am, I'm Eugene Vasquez, and I'm basically using this channel to document my journey towards making $1 million. And I do that by investing in the stock market, investing into a non-traded REIT such as Fundrise, and investing into real estate. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get into the video, and I'm going to show you all my buy updates that happened on October 2nd, I believe, which was Friday. Today is October 4th, so I'm a couple days late, but going forward, I'm going to try and do them on Friday nights or at the most Saturday mornings. But hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's get started. Hey guys, so I'm logged into my M1 Finance portfolio of real estate investment trusts, and we're going to just quickly go over buy updates and kind of just a quick portfolio update. So right now we're sitting at a current value of $12,084 with capital gains of $429, almost $25, or I'm sorry, $430. And I have a total dividend over the last couple of months. I think it's been about 4 months now, of $165. The cash value, the actual cash value of the account is $11,820, and that's with dividends reinvested. So we're going to quickly look at my buy updates here. So on Friday, I put in about $1,000 or $1,017, and that was, like I said, with the dividends, and purchased 20 new buys, right? And the thing that kind of bummed me out is I could, but I didn't buy apartments on this go around because I was overweight in my apartment sector. And if you haven't watched my last REIT income portfolio update, I actually had to change the allocation sizes because I am investing into another triple net lease REIT called WP Carey. Good video. I recommend you just check that out. But I had to change the allocations, so that kind of affected my purchase on this go around. So I didn't purchase almost any apartment REITs, which kind of bummed me out because I do like apartments, and they're trading at really cheap prices right now. But we'll go through the buy updates real fast. Here we go. So, nothing out of the ordinary, nothing spectacular. It's just, buy updates. So I'm going to go back here, and we're going to just quickly look at the portfolio as a whole. My pies. Let's see. So we could see that my dividend yield is currently 3.78%, almost 3.8%. It's above my threshold of 3.5%, my minimum threshold. I'm trying to get it to 4.5 or maybe even 5%. That'd be pretty cool, because based on a hypothetical $100,000, you could return at the end of the year maybe between $4,000 and $5,000, and that'd be completely passive. So that'd be pretty cool. Some things are interesting about this is that in the triple net lease REIT sector, or the pie as it's known on M1 Finance, it's yielding by itself 5.3%, almost 5.4% by itself. That's with zero expense ratio, and the companies that I'm investing in are pretty solid dividend kings, and they're solid companies. You have National Retail Properties, been around for a while. You have Realty Income, they're like the dividend king. You have Store, which is on the up and come, and WPC. I've been watching WPC for quite a while and finally pulled the trigger on it, so I'm very happy to be invested with them. Then you have some of the other smaller guys, SRC and VeriREIT. But we're going to go back to this portfolio. Take a quick look at the apartments. They've been pretty battered during this coronavirus, during this pandemic. The apartment REITs have taken quite a huge hit, and if I had more money, I'd be throwing more money into these companies. I mean, AVB, EQR, CPT, ESS, these are some of the best players in the space. Very safe, very solid companies, very good management. They've been around for a while, and honestly, if I had more money, I'd throw way more money into the apartments. But remain disciplined, stay consistent. Try to avoid the FOMO. But we'll see. We'll see. But anyways, that's just my buy update that I wanted to give you guys, and now we're gonna move on to my other investment. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, so I'm logged into my Fundrise account. We're going to quickly go over these buy updates. So, this is Fundrise. If you don't know what Fundrise is, it is a non-traded real estate investment trust, which means it is not traded on the stock market. So you go to fundrise.com and you can invest directly into Fundrise, which has its own REITs and its own kind of offerings. The big difference between this REIT and the other REITs you saw in my M1 Finance portfolio is that once you invest into Fundrise, the money becomes illiquid. So it doesn't trade like a stock, all right? So you can't just sell out of it. Fundrise is a crowdfunded real estate platform. So it pools together investment and from several types of investors, and you get exposure to whatever they're investing in, right? So like if we take a look, investing in apartments, new construction, commercial real estate or commercial redevelopment in South Los Angeles, so it's these kinds of projects that Fundrise is invested into. But let's go over the quick buy update. So I just made a purchase of $1,000 into the account. So we'll go to transactions here. And you can see that, yep, October, wow, it's going to complete October 8th. But, I put $1,000 into the account. I made the purchase on October 2nd, or I put the order on October 2nd. These are the two REITs that it's going to be going into, the Growth E-REIT and E-REIT, I'm guessing 12, 13? I don't know. I don't know my Roman numerals. But anyways, we're going to go back to the overview just to kind of give people who aren't familiar with Fundrise just a quick recap or quick overview of what Fundrise is. Like I said, it is a crowdfunded real estate platform, so it helps you get exposure to real estate and you are investing into real estate. All right. So these are physical assets, these are real assets, they provide rent, and they pay you, or Fundrise pays you in the form of a dividend. So I should be expecting my dividend here shortly. It's been about 3 months, so I'm thinking maybe in the next week or so I'll be getting a dividend. But I'll do a update on that. Once I get that dividend, I'll do an update at a later time. But as you can see, 2020 year to date, in dividends have made $270, in appreciation $335. Advisory fees got knocked for almost $14. Not a big deal in my opinion. I've been with them since June of 2018. I'm in the long-term growth investment plan versus they used to have the income where every month you'd get a dividend, or I think it was every month or so, I don't know. But it was more income focused. But I'm on the long-term plan where I want appreciation with some dividends. So I don't plan to take the money out for at least 5 years. I want to grow to like 100,000, if not more, and then just kind of like ride the dividend wave. And then eventually at some point maybe I'll just start living off dividends, or I'll just use those dividends and roll them into other investments. I don't know. We'll see. But that's what this is. Just quick buy update, and we're gonna go ahead and end it here. And as always, if you guys got any questions, you can ask me down below in the comment section. So there you guys have it. The only thing I can't show you right now because the website's actually down right now, and I don't want to wait too long. But I did actually max out my 401k to the full amount of $19,500 for the year. So I'm fully done with my 401k and contributions for the year. I think the cash value of that account is sitting, or with everything all said, capital gains, everything, I think it's sitting at like 74, maybe $75,000. But I'm fully done. I'm done with the 401k. I can't contribute to it any longer, or I'm sorry, anymore for the remainder of the year. So next year, again, I'll be able to contribute another $19,500. But that was part of the buy update. I just can't show you because the website's down. So there you have it, guys. Those were my buy updates for this Friday. Just wanted to, again, be transparent with everybody, show everyone exactly what I'm doing, and just to get this on the record, get it documented so, I can show, my progress as I move up, in time. One thing I will be doing another update on is the triplex that I've been, or the 3-unit apartment that I've been closing on. As soon as I get more information on that and kind of more things done, because this is the process that's pretty boring. It's just signing paperwork, but not really a buy update. Anyways, Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comment section. Let me know if this provided any value to you. If you guys have any questions, you can always feel free to, leave me a comment down below. Like the video, dislike it. It's all good. Hit the subscribe notification bell, and I appreciate you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.